What if I told you your phone can run same Python code as a $2,000 laptop? No app, no cloud, no subscriptions. Let me show you how. If you haven't set up Termux yet, watch my previous video and I have given that link in the video description. So now let's install Python. To install Python, you have to type pkg install Python and you have to give dash y and hit enter. For me, Python is already installed. It should not take much time. So it's there. And for you, it might take a bit more time. So now let's check if Python is installed properly. You have to do Python and dash dash version. Now Python is installed. Let's write our first code. That will be hello world. So I will make a new folder. Let's me make YTT and sorry, it will be mkdir YTT. We will go cd YTT means we will move to YTT folder. And now we will do nano and let's do our first code as hello.py. Here we will just print hello world. Print. Now if we do control X by and hit enter, now if we do ls, you can see hello.py is here. Now to run it, we have to do python hello.py. See, our first code is running. So the first code I have written manually. The next ones I'm just going to copy paste. So let uh, create a new file as pastgen.py. So here we are going to write a code which generate passwords, the strong passwords. So let me just copy paste. So here I will do control X and by to save this code. Now let's run it. Again, same Python password then.py. So it generated, um, so you can see it has generated a 5 strong passwords. Now we can write a web scrapper also. I will put the code in the comment section. Um, so we are going to do something good. We are going to write a web server in Termux. I'm just showing you how much things you can do in Termux. Okay, so let's create a new nano and server.py. Right now there is ChatGPT, so you can just copy paste code from there. So I'm also doing the same. I will not lie to you. Okay, so we'll do and okay. So this is basic web server. So it will just say these things. Okay. Now let's save this and see if we are able to access this or not. Okay. Now ls, you can see server.py is there. Python. This is the URL. Now let me just type it here somewhere. Now let's type, open the Chrome and type it there. 127.0.0.1 and port is 8080. 8080. I think enter. See, our Python server is live here. Yeah. So you have seen like Python on Termux is insanely powerful. You can build web scraper, automation tool, even machine learning models are from your pocket. Next video, I'm going to show you how to connect Termux to GitHub so that you can push your code directly to your GitHub account. Like this video, subscribe if you want more Termux tutorial, comment below what Python project do you want me to build on Termux. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.